Right now we're going to be making some pebble soap dishes using epoxy. This is what I'd ordered off of Amazon, this Easy Cast. And I'd also ordered some of like silicone molds. I got these off of Amazon. This is a rectangular one. And what we have to do is we have to mix equal amounts of this in a 1-to-1 ratio and mix it for 2 minutes and then pour it into the mold. So I was thinking that, I don't need to get the measurements that they sell because I'm just going to weigh it. But then when I got the directions today, it said, don't weigh, don't go by the weight, go by volume. So now let's pour it into my mold. I hope I have enough. We spread it to the edges. Now there's like air bubbles in here. So you take a lighter, you just go over the surface and the air bubbles will kind of disappear.
That's so cool.
It is kind of cool. And I saw some people like that add colors and stuff. Oops, I touched it. I hope that's not a bad thing. Okay, good enough.
Mommy, that was cool.
It is, huh? So now we went and we collected some stones and marbles and stuff. And I'm just gonna, let me see here. Just try, like a puzzle. It's kind of like a puzzle and you kind of have to fit your rocks just in your mold however you want. Let's go with the natural colors.
That looks fun.
And if you have some rocks that are taller than others, put them on the edges so that your soap is not like slanted outwards, but rather inward. I got some of these rocks and marbles at the dollar store, or you can collect some. We went to the beach the other day and we found some and they're really nice. Also, yeah, they were selling some on Amazon, but I found it kind of expensive. So I went to the dollar store and I bought like 5 pounds for $2. So now I'm just gonna place the rocks in as best I can. It's still soft and we'll let it harden up. It's supposed to take about 24 hours. Okay, so here's our mold and we're going to be unmolding it. Boy, that was easy. Look at that. How do you like it, buddy?